chapter number 15 of how to make a truck. Okay, kind of complicated, but this is the way. Do this. It has this ticket on, but it doesn't have to do everything right. So do these squares. Got it? And then we do this. And like this. And then we put in our layer pattern. Then we do this, this.
There you go,
This is how
voila.
we make a truck.
That's a good one. Can you show me your windmill? Can you hold it up a little bit so we can see? Both of them. That's a truck and that's the windmill. I like the windmill. Can it go round and round? Well, where's the wheel? I thought there's a wheel.
Well,
Good.